Hey guys, so I finally got to upgrade my Ipsy bag to the Glam Plus, which I am super excited. I don't know why I can't get my camera right today, but I'm just gonna do it real close up. And so this is what it looks like. It came with a dent in it. It probably came with shipping. Let me tell you all about that nonsense. For those of you who don't know, I moved from California to Wyoming on the 1st, but before Ipsy even charged me, I changed my address to here, and for some reason, they changed the zip code, and they put it in for New Mexico, which I think I've only been there once, if I've been there at all. But yeah, it went from like North Carolina, where I guess is where the box comes from, to Texas, to New Mexico, and then it was like out for delivery, so I emailed them and I was like, what's going on? I don't live there. And so they're like, oh yeah, we'll fix it, give it to the 20th or whatever. And I was like, okay. And then it said that it was in Salt Lake City, and I was like, okay, it is on its way. And then it went back to New Mexico, so I emailed them again. I was like, what is going on? And they're like, oh, you need to talk to your post office. I'm like, my post office hasn't even gotten the package yet. And so then it shipped from New Mexico to Colorado to a place in Wyoming, and then down to where I was. Finally got it yesterday. Didn't even say that it was out for shipping. And yeah, I'm just gonna start. I got the Candy Johnson times Pure Lease. It's buttermint orange creamsicle body butter. Smooths and hydrates, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes all skin types. It smells really good. I can already tell that I'm going to use this all up this summer because it's really dry here and my body is having issues. And the next thing I got, which I thought I was only getting one of, I didn't realize I was getting 3, is the Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. Yeah. And I saw one of my friends from a theater that I grew up in, and she used hers, and I was like, oh man, that looks crazy. I'm so excited to try it. I'll do a whole video on it. I'll do clips and pieces of me putting it on and then trying it out, telling you if it's uncomfortable or not. And the next 2 things that I got are lip liners, which I already tried one on, which I really, really like the color of, and this one that I tried the color of is Media. It's really pretty. It's just a pinky. It looks, I just broke the tip, but you know, it's because I was doing it too hard. It's very pink, very pretty, it's very natural on the lip. They're very drying, but I mean, they're lip liners. The next one is Lust. It's more red in person. I really like them. I'm not even going to try to pronounce the name of the company because I'm just going to screw it up. So this is what it looks like. And I got 2 of those. So remember, I already got the lotion. I got 2 lip liners. And I got 3 sheet masks. But I'm not done yet. And the next thing I got is the Wander Beauty Wanderous Seascape. That's what it looks like. It's very pretty. I've already swatched it. I tried it on earlier, but it wasn't doing very well. You can probably kind of see it in my eyeballs. But yeah, I'm just gonna gently touch it, and it freaking is amazing. Like, I just did one swatch for that one. Beautiful. I love it. It's going to take a lot of getting used to because it's more creamy, and the fact that they're all shimmery. And then the next thing I got is a Yinsa Color and Face Tone Up Primer in Essential Glow. That's what it looks like. I will open the box. That's what it looks like. And if you guys remember my last glossy box, I actually got a Yinsa Color and Face Toner and Primer. This is the one I got in glossy box, and this is the one that I got in Ipsy. And glossy box says that it's full-size product, so I don't understand why they gave me like a tester tube. Very confused. I don't understand. I'll dig deeper into that and maybe I'll make a video. And then I did the math, but of course I'm filming this on my phone and I did the math on my phone. It came out to be like $109 for all of this, and the box is only $25. So, I mean, that's a great deal for me. I'm gonna rate them now. I'm gonna give Lust a 7 because it's not a color that I usually wear, but it's very pretty. Media gets an 8 because I really like it. It's very, very beautiful. Both of them together is like a 10 because I mean, like, they're not a set and they gave me a set. The Yinsa, I don't think I liked it before, but I'm gonna continue to use it and try it out and see how I feel. Right now I'm gonna give it a 6 because I don't know, I just, like I said, I don't think I really liked it very much, but it wasn't like the worst primer I've ever had. The Seascape one, I give probably a 7.58, something, 7.5 to an 8, just because they're all shimmery. I was hoping that one was matte, but it's not, and they're going to be colors that I'm going to have to get used to. The Flame Glow gets a 10 because I wasn't expecting 3 of them, and Flame Glow is really expensive, and I'm really excited to try this out. So I would do one with Ariel, but she is allergic to one of the ingredients in this, so we're not going to use them with her. If I get 10 likes on this video, I can make Nakota do one. So like the video, because he's gonna whine the whole time and it's gonna be really funny. And then last but not least, it's the Candy Johnson Orange Sickle Buttercream. It gets a 10 because I really like the smell. It smells like summertime. I'm gonna use it a lot, and it's a lot bigger than I was expecting. This does come in a set of 3, so I only got one of them, and the set of 3 is $20, so I mean, and these are $7.95, somewhere around there, $7.64 a piece. So I mean, they're not that expensive, but they're not like a 2-for-5 mask that I could get at Walmart. The Wander Beauty was $20, and this one I think was $12. Oops. And I think these were $12 to $20 a piece. I don't really remember. They're all on the Ipsy website, and I'm sure if you Googled the name of the brand, so you could see. Yeah, that's all I have to say about Ipsy. I'm gonna keep them. I was very angry with them for a minute, and I didn't know how I was actually going to continue. But I will give them another chance with their shipping problems, because honestly, I love Ipsy. I always have. I've been getting Ipsy for, let's see, almost 4 years. Yeah, in October. Yeah. October or November will be 4 years. So, yeah. If you care to see any other videos that I have coming up, I promise I won't look as disheveled as I do in this video. Probably not in all of them, but in most of them I'll look decent. Please like and subscribe. give this video a thumbs up if you really want to see Nakota wear a bubble mask, because I do. And remember, stay happy in whatever walk of life you're in, because that's what matters the most. Bye.